Hi, good morning, Trinity. Good morning, Cassidy. It's Papa. I've got another story for you. This one's Curious George. Crash into treasure. Ready? Here we go. Ooh, that's recycling. Trash into treasure. There's little Curious George. George was excited for Pretty City Day. They're having Pretty City Day. Everyone wanted to pick up trash and make the city pretty. But George's team wanted to win too. There's his team, see? They want to win. Teams will be judged on how much trash they collect and how pretty their streets are. And their can-do spirit, said the mayor. He's the mayor. Good luck, everybody. Each person on George's team had a street to clean. George's street was already pretty. It's pretty. Look, the street, there's no garbage on there. But look, a candy wrapper. George put it in his trash bag. Oh boy, right there it is. George was so busy looking at his pretty street that he didn't see the pile of boxes until it was too late. Crash! Oops. His neighbor heard the noise. Oh, look, there's his neighbor. Take anything you want, he said. Just put the rest back in the boxes. At least now George had some trash to pick up. But why would anyone throw out a pirate ship? What? That's not garbage. George wanted to keep it. He had an idea. He would use one of his bags for trash and one of his bags for treasure. One bag for trash and one bag for treasure. The longer George walked, the more treasure he found. Treasure. He's got treasure. George's treasure bag got heavy fast. He needed to empty it, so he went home. Look, his treasure bag is full, but his trash bag is empty. He had found so many great things. A red bottle, right there. A blue clock. Where's the blue clock? Where's the blue clock? There's a blue clock. A few yellow ducks. Let's see, where's the yellow ducks? There's 1, 2, and 3. George has always loved man's pig collection. Now he had a collection of his own, a street treasure collection. Meanwhile, the mayor was outside, weighing the team's trash. We need George's bags, too, if we're going to win, Steve said. Where is he? Upstairs. The man and Steve couldn't believe their eyes. George, why is your trash all over the floor? But that wasn't trash. It was George's collection. George, the man in the yellow hat said, a collection is a group of things that are the same. Find some things that go together and make that your collection. Then bring the rest to the mayor, okay? George looked at his treasure. There were round things and things made of wood, red things and things that could float. George wanted to keep them all. He wants to keep all his treasure. When George finally brought his bag to the mayor, it was still empty. There might be more trash upstairs, the man said. Let's all go check. And there was, but it sure didn't look like trash anymore. A color collection? Way to go, George, said Steve. Even the mayor was impressed. Look, you guys, he put everything in color. All the yellows, the green, and the purple, and red. They might not have collected the most trash, but what better way to celebrate Pretty City Day than to turn trash into something beautiful? Hooray! That's it. Good job. The end. Okay, guys, I'll see you soon. I love you. Bye.